Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of our A1 English listening practice. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. So today I'm going to talk about sports. Sports are physical activities that people play for fun and exercise. I'll start with football, since football is the most popular sport in the world. Many countries play football. In some places, people call it soccer. Players kick a ball and try to score goals. Football teams have 11 players. Another popular sport is basketball. Basketball players are usually very tall. They throw a ball into a high basket to score points. I play basketball with my friends on weekends. It's a fast game and very exciting. Swimming is a great sport for the whole body. People swim in pools, lakes, and the ocean. Swimming is good exercise and helps you stay cool in hot weather. There are different swimming styles like freestyle and backstroke. Tennis is a sport played with rackets and a small ball. Players hit the ball over a net. Tennis can be played by 2 people or 4 people. Famous tennis tournaments include Wimbledon and the US Open. Running is a simple sport that anyone can do. You don't need special equipment, just good shoes. Some people run short distances very fast. Others run long distances like marathons. Running helps keep your heart healthy. Cycling is popular in many countries. People ride bicycles on roads, mountains, or special tracks. The Tour de France is a famous cycling race. Cycling is good for the environment because bicycles don't need fuel. Baseball is very popular in the United States and Japan. Players hit a ball with a bat and run around 4 bases. A baseball team has 9 players. Baseball games can last for several hours. Volleyball is played on a court with a high net. Players hit a ball over the net using their hands. Beach volleyball is played on sand with 2 players on each team. Indoor volleyball has 6 players on each team. Ice hockey is popular in cold countries like Canada and Russia. Players skate on ice and use sticks to hit a small puck. They try to score goals against the other team. Ice hockey is very fast, and sometimes players fight during games. Players wear a lot of protective equipment because the sport can be dangerous. Table tennis, also called ping pong, is played on a table with a net in the middle. Players use small paddles to hit a lightweight ball back and forth. Table tennis requires quick reactions and good hand-eye coordination. Many people have table tennis tables in their homes or schools. What about you? What sports do you like? Do you play any sports, or do you prefer to watch sports on TV? Sports are not just fun to play. They teach teamwork, discipline, and help keep our bodies healthy. Many people make friends through sports. In schools, children usually have physical education classes where they learn different sports. Many adults join sports clubs or gyms to stay active. Some people play sports professionally and earn money. Famous athletes can become very rich and popular. Thank you for watching this A1 English listening practice video about sports. I hope you understood everything. If not, you can watch the video again. Practice makes perfect. Remember that learning a language is like sports. You need to practice regularly to improve. See you in the next video.